guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. If you're new, come on in, it's lovely to meet you. My name's Karen, I'm a qualified nail tech and I own a nail art company based in the UK called Nail Sugar. So jumping into this little box of goodies here sent to me very kindly by Karina from Madam Glam, and I wanted to show you this leaflet. This is about their Think Pink collection. $1 of every gel polish that's sold with the Think Pink collection goes to the surviving breast cancer, raises funds for that. I think that's amazing. I'm a stepmom and my two stepdaughters who are now growing up and have families of their own, they lost their mum to breast cancer, so this is something that affects my family and I know it affects so many others, so great cause, Madam Glam. But jumping into these four beautiful colours that I got to choose myself, and yeah, this first one here, this is lovely. This is called Smelly Cat. Now if you've grown up with friends, you're going to know all these names. This one is probably my favourite colour. This is Pivot. If you remember Ross with the, I think it was the sofa trying to get around the stairs. I think it was with Joey. That was hilarious, that episode. This one here, again talking to Joey, this is How You Doing. Loved Joey. So again, a gorgeous colour, really beautiful colour, that beautiful taupe. These are just going to be so good. I'm going to use these a lot. And this one here is We Were on a Break, which Ross screamed various times with the whole Rachel situation. So jumping straight into the design, I am going in here with Pivot, and just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's kind of like, I don't know, a beautiful kind of nudie colour with a hint of pink. This one is Smelly Cat. This is a sort of slightly, it's almost more of an ivory colour, and I was really happy with this because I thought that this would definitely sit today's design. I didn't want a white, so this here is a nice soft muted kind of clotted cream colour almost. So yeah, so I'm just getting these nails painted up. I'm going to do 2 coats of each, and then I'll come back when I've got the coats on and all cured and we can jump into the nail art. Okay, so that's our tips all ready to go. How beautiful are those colours together, right? I just thought, wow. The only one I didn't use was We Were on a Break, but I will do it at some point. So this here is some foil gel polish. This is the Nio Nails one. Every single foil gel polish I have has got the weirdest smell to it. It's really bizarre. But while that's in there curing for 30 seconds, I've got some sort of like rose gold foil there that I'm just scrunching up because I don't want this to be like sort of, you know, I want it to be kind of bitsy, if you get what I mean, kind of sort of scattered effect, that kind of way. And I'm just sort of like putting it on diagonally across the midsection of the nail before going in with some spider gel, which, yeah, I always have fun playing with that. This is the Neo Nail one and it's amazing. So once that's cured then, I am just going to go in and apply some top coat to that. Base coat actually. And I'm just applying some of the chameleon stars on there before I pop that into the lamp for a cure. So just here and there, I just want to speckle off them, not too much. And there we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead then and encapsulate that with gel polish, and that is that nail done. So yeah, I really liked it. I thought it was lovely. Okay, so this is a sneak peek. These will be available on the website from Friday. Nail Sugar. This is the Midnight Blooms decals. And when I seen the colours from the Friends and Family collection, I just knew these decals are going to go absolutely beautifully. So I thought I'm going to have to do a set and just kind of show you guys in advance because these are going to be beautiful. So as per, I'm just cutting out round my decals, whatever I want, kind of, you know, any wee designs that I decided to go for. And yeah, so I wanted sort of a couple of designs on the nails, starting off with the biggest one here, which is kind of like a sort of a floral arrangement, and I like to just hold it up against the nail just to sort of see roughly where I am kind of positioning that before putting it on my stamper. And again, just tap on the back with water. You don't need to over soak it or anything. About 10 seconds and then you're ready to go, and that's it. So easy. If you're stamping, stamp onto a tacky layer, because that layer will grab hold of the decal so much better. And then you can just kind of like very gently press out any little kind of, just press it out nice and flat, the image when it's on the nail, but be very gentle with it. And again, I'm just adding wee bits and pieces, and I'm just going over that then with some top coat. And yeah, and I actually added a couple of wee crystals as well into these, just to kind of make them pop. I just thought that it would just add a little something. But this is the other nail as well too, and again, we sort of dragonflies and things. So it is as simple as that, and they look amazing. Okay, so for the center nail, I wanted to use these. This is the Ghost crystals available from Nail Sugar, and I love these. They're so vintage. They just have that vintagey vibe about them. I can't expect. I don't know. That's what I'm getting. Vintage vibes. That kind of sort of champagne-y with different tones through it. Oh, I love them. And what I've done is I've just used some top coat and sort of painted it on as and where I wanted the crystals, and then finished off the sort of round the edges there with just some caviar beads, which were actually like a really soft rose gold colour. And they just added a wee bit of warmth and depth, and kind of bring in the tones as well of the decals and the warmth in the gel polish colours too. So yeah, I thought that these crystals just finished. That's all it kind of needed. It didn't need too much, but I really like this design. So I'm really enjoying crystal placement at the minute. It's something that I haven't really done before, but I'm really enjoying playing around with it, and Pinterest has got so many crystal placement designs. So this was me at the end as well too, just adding a few little extra bits onto the decals, just to add a bit of sparkle, finish them off. I thought that would be really pretty. And there we go, guys, that is the finished look. I absolutely love this set, and it's actually a nice break between doing lots of Christmas sets at the moment. So yeah, so I really enjoyed this. And don't forget the Midnight Blooms decals, they're available from Friday the 26th on the website. Everything's linked below. Links to Nail Sugar, links to Madam Glam, discount codes, all that. Everything's below in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this design too, and maybe it'll give you some inspiration for, I don't know, using some nice kind of muted colours. But thank you so much indeed for watching. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you all again next time. Bye.